What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can add money from PayPal to Binance. Now, suppose you have some money into your PayPal and now you want to transfer it to Binance. How can you do that? So in this case, we have two possibilities. First things first, if you have cryptocurrency into your PayPal. Now we know PayPal also hold cryptocurrency. You can hold cryptocurrency in PayPal. If you have that, you just have to have your Binance recipient address. In this case, you have to go to deposit and then click on deposit crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and you will be able to get the address for that. In my case, they will want me to verify my ID first. After verifying, I'll be able to get the deposit address. As you can see, the third option is I'll just copy the address, go to PayPal, go to the Bitcoin transfer section, and paste my address to transfer it. Now here we are just taking Bitcoin as an example. It could be any cryptocurrency. Now suppose you don't want to do that. You actually want to have some money into your PayPal account, and now you want to buy the cryptocurrency in Binance. In this case, you won't be able to directly use the PayPal as a payment method in Binance. However, if you have a PayPal debit card, which should look something like that, you will be able to make payments at Binance then. For that, just come to deposit, click on buy crypto, and then simply enter the amount you want to buy, and then they will want you to do the transaction or the payment method. In the payment method, there will be an option for debit or credit card. Select that and put your PayPal card to make payment for that. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.